Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about be original. What I mean by this is be an original band or performer. Have your own style. This can include dress or style of music or outfits you wear, even down to the material you play. There's no point copying somebody else because the venue might as well book that other person. So you've got to be original. You need some spark of creativity between you. It's not hard. You can all dress the same, but again, don't dress identical the same. If you're all going to wear red, each wear something red. Maybe somebody wears a red bow tie, somebody else wears a red tie, red jacket, red shirt, red pants, maybe even red shoes. But don't all dress identical, but have a running theme. One of my bands, we all wear different types of neckwear. I wear a bow tie, my friend wears a normal tie, and the other person in the band wears a string tie. So we've all got the same colour tie, but a different variation. So be original. Do not copy anyone else, because you may as well just go and book that other band. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.